Hi everyone, this is Evie and I'm going to do another acrylic pour. This is going to be a straight pour with similar colors that I just did. So this is take two. Let's see if I can do better. So here is my cup. Okay, I don't think my canvas is level. So I have an 8x10 canvas and I've got some colors here. We'll start off with white. I won't put a lot of white. Just a little bit more. Start off with white and then we'll put in some turquoise. Okay. And then some darker turquoise. And then we'll go with brown. We'll do some orange, not too much orange, just a little bit of orange and a little bit of red. And then we'll end with a little tiny bit of white. And a little bit of turquoise on top. Okay, so now let's cover up the canvas with some of this creamy color. This is basically just white with some gold in it. And I'm just covering up the canvas so that when I do pour the paint, it will flow freely across the canvas and won't get stuck anywhere. Okay. So let's get the canvas covered. Canvas covered. So let's start pouring. I think we have enough paint in this. Let's see what this looks like. Oh, you know what though? I was gonna mix this a little bit. Shall I or shall I not? Next time I'll mix it because I did. Okay. Oh, before I tilt it, I'm going to use a blow dryer to see if I can get some cells. And I did get some cells, so now let's tilt. Actually, yeah, let's tilt. I like this one much better than the other one because I can see all the colors coming out. This is much better, much better. So now let us try to get more cells. Let me clean off my hands so I can get the blow dryer so we can get more cells. I can see some more cells developing actually. Oh, I am liking this. I can see some red, some orange, some brown. lots of cells showing themselves. Excellent. This is good. This is much better. So we can see a lot of the red. We see some of the brown and orange. It looks kind of rusty. We see some of the red, some of the turquoise, and a lot of white over here. You know what? I'm going to try to see if I can get more cells out of the white. Okay, that didn't work. But we do have a lot of cells. So thank you for watching.